Namaskar, good afternoon everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome you all to the world premiere of the Kia Carens.
Kia embarked on a journey of total transformation for the future.
We are confident that we have another game changers of the product in our lanes.
Kia has introduced its new design philosophy that embodies the idea of opposites united.
The interior of the Carens is based on the design pillar Joy for Reason. The idea is to create happiness through a combination of a warm and relaxing look and feel,
while also being one of the safest vehicles on the road. The Kia Carens is going to be a game-changer product.
We aim to offer our customers an inspiring experience that complements our class-leading Kia cars and strengthens our unique brand identity in the country.
It has a lot of SUV kind of stance, and I think that should give it an edge and an advantage.
Stylish, sporty लग रही है and design भी काफी fresh देखने में लग रहा है.
It looks like a sharp, aggressive 7-seat SUV to me.
Very distinct and very unique.
It's an interesting design. It's something you haven't seen before.
The list of features is quite impressive.
This is a sort of vehicle you can enjoy on long drives.
I have to say that it's just an absolutely stunning looking machine.
Kia, movement that inspires.